Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have for you this nice Alpina pocket watch in a silver case, which is in very good shape. The only thing that is wrong with this watch, if I may say, is that the hands are not matching. Most probably the minute hand is not genuine, and the dial has a very fine hairline that is passing from the center of the watch. The dial has Arabic numerals in Breguet style. The dial is made of enamel. The crown is in very good shape. Hope the light it's good. This is the back of the watch. Very nice preserved pocket watch. I don't know when this watch was made, but I think was made around 1900, the beginning of the 20th century. It's a very nice pocket watch. I love this type of dial and this style of numerals. Let's open the back case. Beautiful dust cover. UH Union or Horlogerie Alpina. The half crescent moon. .800% composition of the silver. It's really beautiful. Engravings on this dust cover. I'm trying to show you how beautiful it is. Spirale Breguet, double plateau, balancier compressé. Union horlogère, bien Genève, 15 rubies. Glessner, Liège. Maybe this is a local retailer from Liège. Let's open to see the movement. I'll use my nail. Nice perlage. And this is the Alpina movement, which is a caliber 19H6. I have one more Alpina with that is housing this caliber, but with a micro regulator. That's one neck regulator. Fine adjustments. Oh, this is the movement, which is very fine. It's sticking very nicely. Very beautiful movement. Alpina did great movements back then. This is working very nice. Well preserved pocket watch overall. And very nice movement, I could say. Very nice. Sticking so strong. Look how beautiful is this dust cover. Back of the watch. Very well preserved pocket watch. And the front of the superb Alpina. That was all, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. Thank you for watching. Be safe. God bless you all. Thank you.